Greetings! Today I'll do the unboxing of the Airfix 1/350 scale Type 45 destroyer. You can see the box here, and the notable thing is HMS Dragon is in the current James Bond film No Time to Die. So let's go ahead and unbox this kit. Here we are. These are some sprues of the top hull. Sprues with the Merlin helicopters, the Lynx helicopters. These are all the helicopter blades. This is part of the hull. That's the top of the ship. More hull. And they've been very smart. So you can build this ship waterline or full hull. These are the decals. And here are the instructions. And the paint scheme. Thank you.